Alright folks, welcome to another heavy bag workout video. Right now I'm just showing you the abbreviated warm-up. It's sped up. If you want to see the full warm-up, you can click up here, or I'll put a link in the description down below. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you actually get alerted when new videos come out. And it's just a basic warm-up, skipping rope, stretching. From here, after you warm up, you can get right into the heavy bag round. This is called jab plus one because you're going to be throwing your jab, and then one more strike after that. It's pretty straightforward, and let's dive into it right here. Alright, so we're going to go jab, jab cross, go jab elbow, go jab knee, go jab to a round kick, go jab to push kick. I mean, you can add these in any order you like. I'm just working kind of from the arms down to the legs. I'm going to my left side, so I'm going jab hook, jab left elbow, jab left knee, jab to my switch kick. Off the jab, you should be able to do pretty much any technique. You notice in between strikes, I'm kind of moving around a little bit, trying to stay light on my feet. That's jab overhand right, jab right straight to the body. You can double jab, that's another jab elbow there. Another jab knee coming up probably, yep, jab knee. And I'm doing it again. Sometimes if I feel like my first strike wasn't very strong, I'll do it again right after just to kind of reinforce good habits. Jab round kick. And you can take your time. You can make these fast, like pop up, or you can take your time, jab, take your time, and then throw another one. That's a fast jab hook, fast jump straight elbow. Here's off the switch knee. And there's really no specific order. Like I said, I'm just going from jab. I'm going to do all my right side from my arms down to my legs, and then I'm going to go jab left side and just switching it up. You can write these down, you can freestyle it. Like I said, there's no real specific order you have to do it in. I just prefer it this way because it's easier to remember as I'm going through. If you're feeling good with this, you can start adding more strikes. It could be jab plus two, so you go with jab and then a cross hook, or jab cross elbow. You're really only limited by your imagination or by what your goals are. If you have something specific you need to work on, and you can just go jab and whatever that technique is that you're trying to work on. The only ones I don't really do in the heavy bag are uppercuts, just because they're kind of hard to land properly, but you know, you can still do that with the shadow boxing routine if you like. And that's pretty much it. You can go through this whole thing for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, you can do multiple rounds. It just depends on whatever your goals are and whatever suits your style. Anyhow, I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you get all the new videos when they come out. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.